everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I've been absent on my channel because we welcomed baby Matthew into the family. I haven't posted in a while, not just because we have a baby that doesn't let us sleep every night. I had a very rough recovery after labor. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I share that story on there. You could check it out if you want. I pretty much almost died. But by the grace of God, I'm alive and I'm here. And I hope to start sharing more DIYs. So hopefully I'll get back in the game. For today's video, we actually are gonna be doing something with Tony.
Lily's been giving me haircuts forever. And today we're gonna show you guys how we do it. We're doing haircuts on a budget. This is my mother's drapes.
We just have these basic little attachments.
Nothing special.
Yep. And then just water, some clips to separate his hair, some scissors, and yeah, we're ready to go. Here's what we're working with. Definitely outgrown his previous undercut. Matthew giving us company. So first I usually part his hair. I'll clip this together and get it all wet, and then I'm gonna do the fade on the bottom. I start with the bigger numbers and I work my way down to the smallest number, and then I use no attachment for the really short fade.
This is how it looks like for you guys. This is how it looks like when we do it.
Looking at pictures of his haircut that we took because we forgot what we do.
Just send it. Hurry.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, so I separated his hair. It's not perfect, but it'll do.
It better be perfect.
Just kind of goes like a not a very sharp V, and then we're gonna do the fade on the bottom half. Okay, starting off with the number 4. Okay, so I always like to leave a little V tail so I can blend this into the tail. So this area I'm not gonna shave. I'm kind of gonna keep it, I'm not gonna make the fade go up. The fade is gonna go like this, like a V, like a faded V. I'm gonna go over it with the number 3. Okay, so here's how it looks after the number 3. Still left a little tail back here just so I could fade it in, and worked the 3 all the way up here. Now I'm going in with a number 2. I'm not going to touch this. Once you get to the number 2, this is when you start kind of keeping the fade in mind. So I'm not going all the way up to the top, not curving with his head. I'm just making strokes going up. Same with this area. Now we're doing number 1. We're starting tight at the bottom and we're pulling away as it goes up. Okay, here's how it looks after the number 1. So as you can see, it's just straight up on the sides like that. We're just gonna blend this out right now. And he still has this little tail in the back that I'm gonna blend with that. Here's how it's looking like from the front after the number 1.
Hurry up.
He's falling asleep. Okay, so now we're gonna do no attachment, and we're gonna do the same exact thing we did with the number 1. Going back in with a number 3 to soften off these edges right here. Also gonna go over it with some scissors. Okay, now I'm just gonna remove the pins and blend the top with the rest of the hair. Stop it! Your ass gonna get smacked, seriously.
Oh no.
Okay, he's gonna go get cleaned up and then we'll do another walk around. Seriously? Okay.
Matthew didn't let us sleep last night.
Okay, let's see the side. Nice. And the back. Very nice. Okay, turn. And the front. Looks really good, huh? Very nice. Say something.
It's way cheaper to get a haircut at home. Barber costs you $20,000 in 1 year.
Can it?
I don't know.
Okay.
Subscribe for more videos.
Matthew, hey. He's totally staring at you. Okay, say bye. Bye. There's big guy, little guy. We'll see you all next time.